Welcome to Boys Builder Channel, your ultimate destination for all things construction and building construction, wrench. Step into a world of creativity, craftsmanship, and transformation as we dive into the realm of creating, assembling, and crafting structures that shape our surroundings. From residential wonders to towering commercial marvels, roads that connect, and bridges that unite, we're here to showcase the incredible journey of turning architectural dreams into concrete reality. Hammer, what we offer. House with garden, residential marvels, witness the birth of cozy homes and sprawling estates, capturing every step from foundation to finishing touches. Office building, commercial excellence, unveil the construction of awe-inspiring skyscrapers, malls, and offices that redefine cityscapes. Highway, roadways and bridges, experience the engineering feats behind roads that pave paths and bridges that conquer gaps. Gear, expertise unleashed, explore excavation, framing, roofing, plumbing, electrical wiring, finishing, and more, highlighting the mastery behind every craft. National Park, landscaping magic, from serene gardens to vibrant parks, discover the art of harmonizing nature with structures. Through our meticulously documented journeys, you'll witness the dedication, sweat, and precision required to turn blueprints into living, breathing spaces. With each brick laid, each nail driven, and each wire connected, we're committed to not just constructing buildings, but shaping communities and impacting lives. Join us as we celebrate the unsung heroes behind the scenes, the architects, engineers, laborers, and craftsmen, whose combined efforts orchestrate symphonies of steel, concrete, and creativity. From the initial spark of an idea to the final flourish of a brushstroke, every episode is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Subscribe to Boys Builder Channel and become a part of our construction journey. Whether you're a fellow builder, an aspiring architect, or simply intrigued by the art of construction, our channel offers an insightful peek into the world where dreams become structures that stand tall. So, grab your hard hats and safety goggles, and embark on an exploration of construction wonder. Together, we'll uncover the captivating stories that rise from the foundations and reach for the sky. Welcome to Boys Builder Channel, where building isn't just a process, it's an art that shapes the world around us. Building construction, cityscape at dusk, construction worker, male sign,